Good morning, all of you. Now, today we will discuss a new chapter, permutation and combination. In chapter permutation and combination, our first topic is, either you can say that the basic of the permutation and combination is काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. ये काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है? तो काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल को समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. जैसे हम डेली लाइफ में शर्ट और पैंट यूज करते हैं. जैसे आपके पास 3 शर्ट है और 2 पैंट हैं, तो 3 शर्ट और 2 पैंट का यूज करके हम कितने पेयर बना सकते हैं शर्ट और पैंट की. इसका जो नंबर होगा वही हमारा क्या कहलाता है? काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. जैसे 3 शर्ट और 2 पैंट, इनका यूज करके हम कितने शर्ट और पैंट का पेयर बना सकते हैं, वो कितना हो जाएगा? एग्जैक्टली 6 होगा. ओके, कैसे होगा देखिए. लेट अस सी. सपोज दैट 1 2 3 ये हमारे पास शर्ट है और हमारे पास 2 पैंट है. तो इसके साथ लगा देते हैं P Q. ये पैंट है, तो इस शर्ट के साथ इन दोनों पैंट का एक पेयर बना सकते हैं. ये 2 पेयर हो गया. अगेन P Q. इस शर्ट के साथ अगेन वी आर मेकिंग पेयर्स विथ P एंड Q. तो 2 पेयर इधर हो गया, 2 पेयर इधर हो गया, 4. और विथ दिस अगेन P एंड Q. तो 2 पेयर यहां से मिल गया, 2 पेयर यहां से, 2 यहां से, टोटल कितना हो गया? 6. तो हम ये जो काउंटिंग किए हैं, यही काउंटिंग हमारा क्या कहलाता है? काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल कहलाता है. हम कितने पेयर्स 2 पैंट और 3 शर्ट का को कंबाइन करके मिला करके कितने पेयर बना सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड आवर काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. कुछ दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. सपोज दैट वी आर टेकिंग 1 2 3 4 डिजिट वी आर टेकिंग. ओके, सो इन 4 डिजिट का यूज करके हम 3 डिजिट के कितने नंबर्स बना सकते हैं? इन 4 डिजिट का यूज करके हम 3 डिजिट का कितना नंबर्स बना सकते हैं? व्हेन रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड. मीन्स रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड मीन्स कि हमें कितने डिजिट का नंबर बनाना है? 3 डिजिट का. 1 2 3 डिजिट का नंबर बनाना है. मीन्स इन चारों डिजिट का यूज करके हमें 3 डिजिट का नंबर बनाना है, और जो नंबर एक बार यूज हो जाएगा उसको हम दोबारा रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट हमने यहाँ पे 2 लिख दिया, तो इन दोनों बॉक्सों में हम लोग 2 को नहीं रख सकते हैं. अगर हम लोग 2 को इसमें रखेंगे या इसमें रखेंगे तो वो रिपीट कर जाएगा. तो रिपीटिशन नॉट अलाउड मीन्स वी कैन नॉट रिपीट दैट डिजिट इफ वी आर यूजिंग वंस टाइम इट. एक बार हमने इस डिजिट को यूज कर लिया तो दोबारा हम उसमें उस डिजिट को यूज नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, तो हमें इन 4 डिजिट का यूज करके 3 डिजिट के नंबर बनाने हैं. वो नंबर कितने बनेंगे, कितना नंबर बन जाएगा, उसी का काउंटिंग ही क्या कहलाता है? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग, फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग. तो क्या बनेगा? सपोज दैट ये हमारा फर्स्ट प्लेस है, ये सेकंड प्लेस है, ये थर्ड प्लेस है ना. ये यूनिट है और ये टेंस है और ये 100 डिजिट है. तो कोई भी एक नंबर रख लो. तो बताइए, हमें चेक करना है तो इस बॉक्स को हम कितने तरीके से फिल कर सकते हैं. विथ हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन फिल दिस बॉक्स. फर्स्ट बॉक्स वी हैव 4 ऑप्शंस. हमारे पास चॉइसेस कितनी है? 4 चॉइसेस. हम लोग फर्स्ट बॉक्स को 4 वेज से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? फिल कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास 4 चॉइस है, हम 1 भी फिल कर सकते हैं, 2 भी कर सकते हैं, 3 भी कर सकते हैं, 4 भी कर सकते हैं. So we have 4 options to fill this first box. Now we have to fill the second box. But in the second box, we have to given that condition repetition is not allowed. So we cannot use that number which we have already used in the first box. Suppose that हमने 2 इसमें fill किया है, तो we cannot fill the 2 in this box. So now we have how many options? This option has cross. Now we have just 3 options. So we can fill this box with how many ways? 3 ways. Okay. Now we have third option. For filling third box, how many options? अब हम लोग इस थर्ड को भी सपोज दैट हमने इसमें 3 फिल कर दिया, ठीक है, तो न तो इसमें 2 को फिल कर सकते हैं, न इसमें 3 को फिल कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास ऑप्शन कितना बचा? सिर्फ 1 and 4. तो हम लोग इस बॉक्स को कितने तरीके से फिल कर सकते हैं? वी हैव 2 ऑप्शन टू फिल दिस थर्ड बॉक्स. सो वी राइट 2. सो our number will be what? So number will be 4 into 3 into 2. That is called 4 is 12, 24. तो 4 डिजिट का यूज करके 3 डिजिट के हम 24 नंबर्स बना सकते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ काउंटिंग इज कॉल्ड काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. दिस प्रिंसिपल इज कॉल्ड काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. This is the case when the repetition is not allowed. Suppose that repetition is allowed, then if repetition is allowed, it means this box has how many options? 4 options. Okay. But the second box also, we have allowed any number we can fill also in this box, in this box, in this box. So the all boxes had same 4 options to fill. So we can write 4 here, 4 options here. So what will be the number? 4 into 4 into 4. If the repetition is allowed, then there are how many numbers? 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Then we have 64 numbers. हमारे पास 64 नंबर्स ऐसे बनेंगे 3 डिजिट के इन 4 डिजिट का यूज करके. तो ये जो काउंटिंग है, ये इसको कहते हैं काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. ओके. अब एक दूसरा एग्जांपल और लेते हैं. जैसे सपोज दैट वी हैव 5 अल्फाबेट्स A, B, C, D and E. एंड इन अल्फाबेट का यूज करके हमें क्या बनाना है? वर्ड्स बनाना है. डिफरेंट वर्ड्स बनाना है. कितने वर्ड्स बन सकते हैं इनका यूज करके? देखो 5 डिजिट है, 5 अल्फाबेट्स हैं. तो सो हमारे पास जो वर्ड बनेगा उसमें कितने नंबर्स होंगे, कितने लेटर्स हो सकते हैं? 5 लेटर्स. 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. तो इन 5 लेटर्स का यूज करके हमें वर्ड्स बनाना है. एंड रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड फर्स्ट. और अगर रिपीटिशन अलाउड नहीं है, मीन्स हमने इसमें फिल कर दिया A, तो रिपीटिशन है, रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड, मीन्स वी कैन नॉट फिल इन दिस रिमेनिंग 4 बॉक्सेस, वी कैन नॉट फिल द ऑप्शन A. We have just 4 options to fill this box. Okay. So what we will write? हम इस सेकेंड बॉक्स को फिल करने के लिए हमारे पास कितने चॉइस हैं? 4. हम या तो ये भर सकते हैं, या तो ये, या तो ये, या तो ये. ओके. सो हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस वी हैव? फॉर फर्स्ट प्लेस वी हैव 5 ऑप्शंस. वी कैन यूज एनी फॉर फर्स्ट बॉक्स फिलिंग. For the second box 4, because the alphabet which we are using in first box, we cannot repeat it because repetition is not allowed. Okay. So our third box is 3, 2 and 1. So the total number of words will be what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, 62 is 120. So using these 5 alphabets, we can make 120 words. Either they are meaningful, either not meaningful, doesn't matter. But there will be formation of 120 words using these 5 alphabets when the repetition is not allowed. If the repetition is allowed, then what will be? If the repetition is allowed, then we can fill this first box with 5 ways, this second box also with 5 ways, this third box also with 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 ways. Because if the repetition is not allowed, in this first box we can use any letter. In the second box also we can use any letter. In the third box also can use any letter. So there are 5 options here, 5 options here, 5 options here, 5 options here, 5 options here. So the total number of words will be what? 5 to the power 5. Okay? Okay. So I hope you understand what is counting principle. Now if suppose that we have to given these 5 letters and the question is saying that we have to make 5-digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit. Suppose that we are taking 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to make 5-digit number. But question is saying that in first and second place there are 3 and 4. In first and second place the number 3 and 4 will be present. Okay, we have to given in this question that we have 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have to make how many 5 numbers we can made. So and the 3 and 4 will be fixed at the first 2 place. Then this place which is third, fourth and fifth. How many options to fill this box? Leave this box, leave this box. So we have how many options? 1, 2, 3. So we can fill this box with 3 ways. With this box is and if we have to given repetition is allowed. Okay, so repetition is allowed, then this can be filled also with 3 ways. This is also can fill with 3 ways. This is also can fill with 3 ways. So the total number of digit will be what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So the total number of words, the total number of numbers will be 27. When this 2 digit will be fixed, repetition is allowed, then we can find the 5-digit number using this 5 digit is 27. Okay. Now we will see of your NCERT book, some questions of your NCERT book. Let's see exercise 7.1, which is based on counting principle. So let's see exercise 7.1. First question. How many 3-digit number can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? First condition is repetition is allowed. first condition is repetition. Repetition is allowed. Okay, we have to question is how many 3-digit number can be found. We have to make 3-digit numbers. Okay, हमें 3-digit का नंबर फाइंड करना है with the help of digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and our first condition is repetition is allowed. Okay, repetition allowed है and we have to find 3-digit number with the help of this 5-digit. So this is first, second and third. So if we are using in this first box, we have how many choices? We can fill with 5 ways, because the 5-digit we can use for this box. We have no any restriction. We are free to use any number in this box. So this box can be filled by how many ways? 5 ways. So we will write first box can be filled with 5 ways. Now repetition is allowed. We can repeat any number anytime. So we can use this second box also. How many ways? 5 ways. And this is third box. We can also use this in how many ways? 5 ways. So the total number of total number of 3-digit number using 5-digit given above is equal to, so the total number of 3-digit number using 5-digit given above is what? 5 into 5 into 5. It will be 125. So the total number will be what? Using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the repetition is allowed, will be 5 into 5 into 5, 125. So we can form 125 numbers using this 3-digit, using this 5-digit. Okay. So the second condition is repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Now our second condition. Second condition is repetition is not allowed. So we can use this first box in how many ways? 5 ways, because we are free to fill this first box with any number. So there are 5 choices, 5 options to fill this box. But for the second box, we have not 5 options because repetition is not allowed. If we are using any number, suppose that taking 3, so we cannot use in the 3 in the second box. So we have how many options? We have 4 options. Okay, so for the second box we have 4 options, and for the third box also the 2 numbers we cannot use, 3, 4. So we write. So we have how many options? 3 options. So we write 3. So we have 3 choices for this box. So first box can be filled by 5 ways. Second by how many ways? Second box can be filled with 4 ways, and third box can be filled with 3 ways. So the total number of 3-digit number using 5-digit given above will be what? 5 into 4 into 3, and it will be 60. So when the repetition is not allowed, the number of 3-digit number will be what? 60. Because here the first box can be filled by 5 ways, and second box can fill by 4 ways, and the third box will be filled by 3 ways. So the total number of ways will be 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. Okay, now we will see the next question. Our second question is, how many 3-digit even number can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We have to given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit, and we have to form 3-digit even numbers. Okay, we have to form the 3-digit even numbers with the help of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the digit can be repeated, means repetition is allowed. So first we have to find the 3-digit number, 3-digit even number, and repetition is allowed. So first case will be what? These all 3-digit number will be what? Even number. Okay, so it means our unit place, this is unit place suppose, so it may be 2, either 4, either 6. Okay, we have 3 options, that our unit place will be what? With 2, 4 or 6. So we have supposed that unit place is 2. Let our unit place is 2. Now our tens place will be filled how many ways? Repetition is allowed. We can use any number. So it can be filled by 6 ways. It can be also filled by 6 ways. And this can be filled by only 1 ways, that is 2. So total number of digit when numbers when unit digit is 2 is what? 6 into 6, that is 36. Okay, now our second case will be what? Second case is when this unit place is 4. When unit place is 4. Our unit place is 4. Then how many options we have? Again, we can use any digit because repetition is allowed, so we can use 6. So what we can say that the total number of ways of numbers is equal to 6 into 6, that is 36 again. Again the third case, when unit place is 6. So in third case we are fixing with 6. Okay, so again there are 6 ways. So the total number of ways is equal to what? 6 into 6, that is 36. So how many digit will be formed? So the total number of 3-digit even number is equal to 36 plus 36 plus 36, that is 108. Okay, so the total number of 3-digit even number will be what? 108. Okay, because we have to find the 3-digit even number. So first place can be filled by 2. In second case also it can be filled by 4. In the third case it may be also with filled by 6, because 2, 4, 6 is even numbers in the given 6 digit. So we can use these numbers as a unit place. Okay. Now our second place will be filled by 6 ways. Third place is also by 6 ways. So the total number of ways is equal to 36. In first case, when the unit digit is at 2, when the unit digit is 2, then the total number of numbers will be what? 36. Total number of 3-digit number, we can write 3-digit number. When unit place is 2 is 36. Again when 4 we get 36. Again we can get 36. So the total number of ways of 3 digit is what? 108. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is question number 4. How many 5-digit telephone number can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If each number starts with 6, 7, we have to make 5-digit number. Okay, and when you start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In this question says that we have to make 5-digit full telephone number, in which our first and second place will be filled by 6 and 7, and we have to make 5-digit number. So our this place will be filled by, there are how many digits? 10 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 digit. So our this place, third place. So this place is filled by how many ways? 8 ways. No digit appear more than once, means repetition is not allowed. So this can be filled by how many ways? 8 ways. And this can be filled by 7 ways, and this can be filled by 6 ways. Okay, so the total number of 5-digit telephone number when first telephone number starting with 6, 7 is equal to 8 into 7 into 6, which will be equal to 336. Okay, so our this place can be filled. These are fixed, we cannot change this, and we will not touch this place. We have to start filling the numbers using these digits. Leave that 2 digit is what our first number will be. First, this box can be filled with how many ways? By 8 ways, because the 2 numbers are there and the numbers are not repeated. Okay, so this place can be filled by, we have how many options? 7 options. So 7 choices is there, 6 choices is there, So the total number of 5-digit telephone number starting with 67 will be what? 8 into 7 into 6. This will be our answer. Okay, thank you.